Make $97 a day selling recipes. Over 10,000 recipes included in this offer. Hi, Lee Casano here from reprintwritesbiz.com/recipes. Introducing the Ultimate Recipe Seller's Resource CD-ROM. Get started fast in the recipe business with this great collection. Everything you'll ever need is on the CD. You get full reprint and resell rights to over 59 popular cookbooks in PDF format that can be printed out or sold in digital format. See my website for more details at reprintwritesbiz.com/recipes. Over 10,000 recipes that you can use as killer classified ads to build your huge opt-in list of red-hot cash buyers. Introducing the Ultimate Recipe Seller's Resource CD-ROM. Get started fast in the recipe business with this great collection. Everything you'll ever need is on the instant download or CD-ROM. Plus, get our revealing How to Make Money Selling Recipes report. Looking for your own niche online? How about recipes? There are so many keywords you can use with pay-per-click advertising. There are so many affiliate products to offer your list of eager buyers. Food is a universal language that offers unlimited opportunities. But where do I start? I need my own book. I need my own site. I need my own list of prospects and buyers, etc., etc. Your problems are solved. Not only does the site offer tons of ebooks that you can sell over and over again, you have access to ready-made websites for each ebook and even a copy of the website as well. If you ever wanted your own instant $97 product to sell by mail and online, here it is. You get to keep all the money too. If you ever wanted to grow your own profitable mailing list, this is a hot market. The search volume online for salmon, Chinese, etc. is large. Endless keyword possibilities. Yes, you can make great money in the information publishing business selling recipes. Below are hundreds of recipes to advertise with and make a huge profit on the back end by following up with big ticket related products. 3 reasons why the recipe business is profitable. There is a growing interest in cooking. Many people are increasingly interested in cooking at home, influenced by health trends, food shows, and social media. This demand opens up opportunities for unique recipes. Number 2, big profit revenue streams. Recipe publishers can generate income from selling cookbooks, subscriptions that give you recurring income, online courses, and even making videos for some ad revenue. This is the best way to be a successful affiliate marketer. Sales come naturally by recommending related items on the back end. Can you keep a secret? So far, I have gotten checks for as much as $460 and even $750 by offering a hot product that is related to my main product on just one of my niche customer lists. Not only do I make hot money up front, make it on the back end in repeat sales as well. The best way to become a successful affiliate is by doing it the natural way. by having affiliate products that you recommend and that are related to what you're selling on the front end is the secret. Rachel Ray sells a line of cookware and knives through her TV show. Emeril Lagasse has his own line of merchandise too. People trust them as experts, so they buy from them with confidence. Fortunately, you and I don't have to be great like one of these celebrities to make some decent cash from food recipes or affiliate products. If you like cooking, or if you believe this is a fun area to sell in, then these popular recipes are for you. You see, the big money is in your list of recipe buyers that you will be collecting. Just think back-end or follow-up profits. You can even start a monthly newsletter and each month reveal new tasty and exciting recipes that you have personally tried. As your customers read your newsletter, they will see your featured products that you have each month inside your newsletter. See, affiliate sales can be all natural. Recipe buyers, mostly women, represent a large target market that has money. They have the checkbook and the credit cards. This market obviously makes a great in-house mailing list worth developing. It means a thriving market and huge chunks of cash for sellers like you and me. Remember, the big profits are on the back end from future sales to these same buyers. That's where hot affiliate products will make you rich. I'll even recommend some sources for products that you can contact in our free report. How to develop classified ads that pull like crazy. Just look at all the ads in tabloids, magazines, and other places that you can find recipes for sale. The recipe for success selling recipes is in knowing how to write your ads, and many new advertisers get it wrong. You can even give recipes away and still make tons of money if you have a hot affiliate or a back-end product to sell. A great way to build up your mailing list quickly online. Again, the secret is in the structure of the ads themselves. That's why I'm eager to include our free report along with this business opportunity. And that's also why I have put together this hot little collection of some of the most killer recipes to be found. There are millions of recipe lovers out there, and they're all yours for the picking. They are just waiting for your teeny but powerful classified ad online or in magazines. Remember, when you know just how to write your ads as revealed in our free special bonus report, you can reel them in over and over again. You will be able to sell your customers new recipes year after year, plus hot related items from affiliate or your own back-end products. Introducing the Ultimate Recipe Sellers Resource CD-ROM. That's 10,000 plus classified ads to sell with. They're all yours. Get cash orders over and over again from people all over the country by being the publisher of this exciting, huge collection of recipes. Again, our bonus report will show you how to sell recipes successfully so that you can follow up with bigger and better offers as well. Hey, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it all. Man, I love pasta, and I even see some Italian dishes I never heard of before in this series. Now you can get all 59 recipe ebooks, full reprint rights, and a copy of the same direct response website for just $97, and you'll be able to pocket $97 per order over and over again. Sell 10 sets a week and make an extra $9,700 profit. These ebooks are in PDF format. They can be read by anyone who downloads a free Acrobat reader that's available everywhere online. These ebooks, because they are in PDF format, have excellent printing capabilities. They print out beautifully on your printer, so they are perfect for mail order sales as well as online sales. Here they are, 59 recipe PDF ebooks along with their own individual websites and colored graphics on CD-ROM. Please see my website for the complete list at reprintwritesbiz.com/recipes. Thousands and thousands of searches are done each month for all these recipes online. Now you can cash in big. Order before date on website and get these super hot bonuses. Bonus number 1, free report, how to make money selling recipes. Get the best kept secrets for getting powerful results from running classified ads. You'll outpull your competition every time. Bonus number 2, plus you get my best places to run your classified ads. Bonus number 3, also a free report for sources of where to find the hottest cooking affiliate products for back-end sales. Bonus number 4, you also get a free copy of my exact website sales page to make $97 sales with. You can resell this opportunity to your list of reprint rights buyers too. Everything is set up to sell with. Just plug in your name and your own pay button. They will want it so that they can have a big ticket item to sell online. You can sell individual ebooks complete with their own website pages and graphics for $10 to $20 each to your customers. This site alone and all 59 recipe collections makes the deal well worth over $600, but it's all yours for a one-time fee of only $97. Order today. And don't forget, each recipe book comes with its own website and graphics. Buy it instantly for only $97 and have it rushed to your door by priority first-class mail. Also available by instant download if needed. Just visit reprintwritesbiz.com/recipes. P.S. You can see all 59 recipe titles by going to my website at reprintwritesbiz.com/recipes or see my live link, Show More, just below this video. P.P.S. This product is truly evergreen too. You won't have to change or update anything